Good night.
Good night.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes,
What is your name?
I am Andrés Rincón Gutiérrez.
How old are you?
I am 32 years old.
Are you married or single?
I am married to Catherine.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is running.
What is your job?
I am a cook.
A cop? Are you a cop? Oh, okay. Where do you work?
I work in criminal investigation.
How long you work in this company?
I have been working for this company for 9 years.
Okay. What are your strengths?
My strength is responsibility, dedication, and report right.
What are your weaknesses?
My weaknesses are confidence and I am capricious.
What is your biggest achievement in life?
My great achievement in my life is my job, have a wife who love me, and the opportunity to live that my good has given me.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I want to be economics and work for the judicial branch.
Why do you want to quit your job?
For a better quality of life for my family.
Why do you want to work for us?
Because it is most recognized company in the country, because I can practice my profession and it is company and for better quality of life.
Okay. What are your salary expectations?
My salary expectations are to pay the sum of 5 million pesos for my profession.
Okay. Is all? No more.
Thank you.
Bye.